Hi, my name is Matthew. Sorry. I've
Mhm.
created probably one other page manga before this.
Mhm.
Most of my work is more of learning right now. I like my biggest struggle in this is like more background. I don't
Mm.
dive into background too much. It's more in person like physical anatomy.
Mm.
I mean, do you have any tips on like making better like background?
I do actually. I want you to try and practice if you're gonna use a, but this is traditional. So try to utilize 1 point perspective. Don't go too complicated with 2 point or 3 point. 1 point is enough. Like for example, this one, let's say this is your 1 point, right? Everything is going to make more depth here by just using 1 point. Like you can put the reward here and then he's walking. This is gonna be the tiles or the floor. 1 point perspective will save your panels or background so many ways. And it's not as hard as other perspectives. Okay?
Yeah, thank you
No
so
problem.
much.
Only the most dedicated, aspiring mangakas will reach this point. If you're still here, then you're already ahead of the game. But remember, nothing changes until you actually take your first step. If you want a clear roadmap on what to do next, then sign up to your free manga training. We'll walk you through the exact process you need to turn your blank pages into finished one-shots in just 60 to 90 days. No more random tutorials, no more guessing by yourself. The most exciting part? We're sending some of our best students on an all-expense paid trip to Japan's biggest comic convention where you get the rare opportunity to share your work with Japanese publishers. We'll even help translate your work to Japanese and hire a translator on the ground. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to stop dreaming about your manga and actually start making it. Sign up to your free manga training by clicking the link in the description or the pinned comment.